Papu, Kanna, listen here. Write all the other trigonometric ratios of angle A in terms of secant A. In terms of secant A. First you should say the trigonometric ratios. That is what? Sine A, cosecant A. Cosine. Isn't it? Cosine A. Next what? Secant A, cosecant. Cosecant A. Next one is tangent. Tan A, cotangent. That is cot A. Understand? So they have asked in terms of secant A. So what are the other trigonometric ratios? These five, isn't it? Sine, cosine, cosecant. Cosecant, tan, cot. Isn't it? That is, sine A, cosine is nothing but cos. Cos A. First, let us find out cos A. First, let us find out cos A. Cos A is 1 by secant A. 1 by secant A. Reciprocal of cos A is secant A. Understand? Reciprocal of that is cos A 1 by cos A equal to secant A. Reciprocal of cos A equal to secant A. Reciprocal of secant is cos A. Understand? 1 by cos A equal to secant A. 1 by secant A equal to cos A. So cos A equal to 1 by secant A. Next one, tan A. Next one is what? Tan A. Tan A. That is 1 plus tan squared A equal to secant squared A. 1 plus tan squared A equal to secant squared A. Trigonometric identity. Isn't it? Pythagorean identity. From this, you can find out tan. Isn't it? That is tan squared A equal to, what is here in RHS? Just you write secant squared A. This one, when it comes to RHS, minus 1. Then tan A equal to, tan squared A is this. Tan A means what? You have to find out the square root. That is plus or minus root of secant squared A minus 1. Why I am writing plus or minus 1? Suppose x squared is 9. X is equal to plus or minus root 9. That is x equal to plus or minus 3. Isn't it? But here, what you have to take? Whether it is plus or minus. Just you draw a right angled triangle. A, B, C. You are taking angle A. Understand? So, A is acute. Angle A is acute. That is less than 90 degree. Less than 90 degree. Tan A is positive. Therefore, tan A is positive. Why? When tan A is acute. When tan A is acute, then tan A is positive. If it is acute, then it is positive. So what will you write? Tan A equal to plus. So since it is plus, no need to write the symbol. Secant squared A minus 1. Tan A equal to root of secant squared A minus 1. This is one answer. So cos A, tan A we finished. Next one is cosecant A. Next one is what? Cosecant A. Cosecant A is nothing but 1 plus cot squared A equal to cosecant squared A. 1 plus cot squared A equal to cosecant squared A. 1 plus cot squared A. Isn't it? Cot is nothing but 1 by tan. So 1 by tan squared A equal to cosecant squared A. Tan squared you found out here, isn't it? That is 1 plus 1 by root of secant squared A minus 1 equal to cosecant squared A. Isn't it? You have to take out the LCM. Isn't it? That is cross multiply. So, but here what is it? Tan squared A. So first you have to put whole square. Then we will take the LCM. Just we will do the next step. 1 plus 1 squared is 1. Here root of secant squared A minus 1 the whole square. That means what? The root won't be there, isn't it? That is root 2 into root 2. What will you get? 2, isn't it? Similarly, root of secant squared A minus 1 into root of secant squared A minus 1 is equal to what? Secant squared A minus 1, isn't it? So you write it here. Secant squared A minus 1. Now you take the LCM equal to cosecant squared A, isn't it? So while you are multiplying, what will you get? Since it is 1, secant squared A minus 1. Here what is there? Plus 1 divided by secant squared A minus 1 equal to what? Cosecant squared A. So this plus 1 minus 1 will get cancelled, isn't it? So what is remaining here? Secant squared A. Secant squared A divided by secant squared A minus 1. That is equal to what? Cosecant squared A. But what do you want to find out? Cosecant A. What do you want to find out? Cosecant A. That is root of. So root of A by B equal to root A by root B, isn't it? So you can put root separately for numerator and denominator. Root of secant squared A divided by root of secant squared A minus 1. What is it actually? Plus or minus? Plus or minus. Understand? But what have we told you? A is acute, isn't it? Here A is acute. Here A is acute. That is less than 90 degree. Less than 90 degree. Angle A is acute. And cosecant A is positive. Cosecant A is positive when A is acute. When A is acute, isn't it? So what will you write? Cosecant A equal to, understand, root of secant squared is nothing but secant A. Root of secant. If you want to write like this also you can write. Cosecant squared A equal to root of secant squared A divided by secant squared A minus 1. Understand? Plus or minus. Do you follow? That means what? Plus secant squared A means secant A into secant A. Out of two elements, you have to take one, secant A. Denominator, secant squared A minus 1 as it is, isn't it? So, cosecant A equal to secant A divided by secant squared A minus 1. Do you follow? Next one is what? Sin A. Next one is what? Sin A. Sin A is nothing but, that is sin A. Sin A equal to 1 by cosecant A. 1 by cosecant A. Cosecant A is nothing but reciprocal of sin. 1 by sin A equal to cosecant A. Therefore, sin A equal to 1 by cosecant A. So, what will you write here? Sin A equal to, sin A you have to find out. Sin A equal to 1 by cosecant A. Understand? But you got to write it in terms of secant. You found out cosecant here. So what will you write? Sin A equal to 1 by, what is cosecant A? Secant A by root of secant squared A minus 1. You have to write the reciprocal, isn't it? That is sin A equal to, what is it? Root of secant squared A minus 1 divided by secant A. Do you follow? Because 1 by, this is reciprocal, 1 by. So just you write root of secant squared A minus 1 divided by secant A. Do you follow? So first one here. So this is one answer. And cosecant A, isn't it? Next. Where is it? Next one. Here, tan A. Cos A. Cos A, isn't it? Next here, tan A. Next, where is it? Cot A. Tan A, cosecant A. So cot A, next one. Next one is what? Cot A we did. So cot A is 1 by tan A, isn't it? Is that we did? No. Actually. 1 by tan A. That is cot A equal to 1 by root of secant squared A minus 1. Do you follow? So this is 1. So remaining 5, isn't it? Cos A, tan A, cot A, next is cosecant A, next is sin A. Do you follow? Every one of you. So this is very easy only. Only thing you should know the trigonometric identity of Pythagorean trigonometric identity and also reciprocal. What are the fundamental trigonometric ratios? That 6 ratios you should know. Understand? Do you follow?